Hello everyone. Welcome back to Guide Pro. If you want to activate Google Assistant on your phone without touching the screen, this video will help you. Many users want to use Google Assistant hands-free, but they do not know where to enable the voice option. Let me show you the easiest way to turn this on. First, open your phone settings. Now tap on the search bar at the top and type Google Assistant. From the results, tap on Google Assistant settings. Make sure Google Assistant is turned on. Now find the option called Hey Google or Voice Match. Tap on it and enable Hey Google detection. Follow the on-screen instructions to set up your voice model. This allows Google Assistant to recognize your voice. Once this is enabled, you can activate Google Assistant without touching your phone. Just say Hey Google followed by your command. For example, say Hey Google, what is the weather today? That is how you can use Google Assistant hands-free using only voice. Like the video if it helped. Subscribe to Guide Pro for more Android tips and phone fixes.